Hey, what's up guys? Fazman here. Imagine you are brainstorming ideas for a new campaign and need a visual way to present them efficiently. What if there was a tool that could simplify all of this? Yes, today we are going to review Wondershare EdrawMax. EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagram software designed to make your life easier. Whether you are creating flowcharts, mind maps, or organizational charts, EdrawMax has you covered with over 210 types of diagrams. EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagramming tool that makes it easy to create flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, network diagrams, and more. With the user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates and symbols, EdrawMax simplifies the process of creating complex diagrams. The download link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, launch this. Here you will see the interface like this. EdrawMax has over 210 types of diagrams. It offers a suite of AI-powered tools to enhance your productivity. With access to over 10,000 free templates, you can get started on any project instantly. Plus, it's compatible with multiple formats like Visio, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF. And with cloud storage, your files are always synchronized and accessible from anywhere. Here you can see we have different types of flowcharts, mind map, organizational chart, basic diagram, graphs and charts, floor plan, electrical engineering, and more. And the cool thing is eDraw AI. Here we can make flowcharts, mind map with the help of AI. Simply tell AI a description and it can quickly generate the diagram for you. So for example, let's click on AI flowchart. Here enter the description. For example, I want user login process. And here is our flowchart. You can drag and drop elements, customize shapes, and connect them effortlessly. It's perfect for visualizing process and workflow. So EdrawMax AI diagramming can automatically generate diagrams based on your inputs, saving you time and effort. Now let's create a mind map. You can create mind maps effortlessly using AI. Simply input your main idea like improve work efficiency and let AI generate a comprehensive mind map for you. You can customize your mind map to fit your needs. You can polish the text, adjust the passage length, and even translate it into any language. So you can make your mind map visually appealing by choosing from various style, layouts, and connected styles. EdrawMax also has a powerful AI drawing feature. This allows you to create diagrams and charts without having to draw them yourself. To use the AI drawing feature, simply click the AI drawing button, type in a description, then you can choose the size and its quality and then click on start. And here we also have an image to image generator. This allows you to generate new images from existing images. Simply upload an existing image and select the style of the new image that you want to generate. Then it will generate a new image based on your input. This is a great way to create new and unique images for your project. And Wondershare EdrawMax AI chat feature assists users in creating diagrams efficiently. Simply type your ideas or requirements and the AI provides real-time suggestions, templates, and diagrams. These intelligent tools streamline the diagramming process, making it faster and more intuitive, perfect for users seeking productivity and creativity. And next we have OCR, image text extraction feature. It can extract text from images, making it easy to convert scanned documents or images with text into editable digital text. Simply upload your image and EdrawMax OCR technology will accurately recognize and convert the text for you, saving time and enhancing productivity. From my personal experience, EdrawMax has significantly boosted my productivity. Before using it, organizing my ideas was a hassle, but with EdrawMax, everything is clear and structured. If you are ready to take your diagramming to the next level, I highly encourage you to try EdrawMax. It's a game changer for professionals and students alike. Download EdrawMax today and see the difference it can make. The download link is available in the video description, so must check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.